This tutorial will talk you through how to send a message via Direct EAS using Alert Studio. Step 1. Contact Path. Under Contact Path, place a check mark next to GSS Net Direct EAS and then click on Basic Alert Information. Step 2. Basic Alert Information. Basic Alert Information includes an expiration interval, required headline, which is a quick description of what the message is about, a required description, which is the actual message, and optional instructions, which is additional message space. The description is the actual verbiage that will scroll across TV screens, so make sure you complete this field even if you're attaching audio. Also, if you're entering a letter-number combination into the description field, make sure you space between each character. When you are finished entering your basic alert information, click Alert Options. Step 3. Alert Options. Select your area and then complete the alert options, which include event type, category, response, urgency, severity, and certainty. When you are finished, click on Attachments if you have an audio or picture file to include, or Review and Send if you are done with your message. Step 4. Attachments. Attachments are optional, but if you wish to include an audio or picture file with your message, you will add it here. To attach an audio or picture file, click on Add Files. Locate the file on your computer, and then select Start Upload. You can also call in your audio information by dialing the call-in number and entering the authorization code. When you're finished adding audio or a picture to your message, press Review and Send. Step 5. Review and Send. Review all of your message information. If everything is correct, press Send Alert. If you have any questions regarding sending a Direct EAS message via Alert Studio, please contact GSS today.